Gikundi kia mbere kia Arutwo University NENE ya Kenya kuhitukira NENDA kana Open University of Kenya mekwambiriria mathomo mweri ukite. Thiko igere hituku ruhonge rwa woyani wa university ni rwahingurire mirango kuri arutwo othe aria mari na matanya ma guthomera university neno kwambiriria gwikia ihoya niguo kuheo mweke wa guthomera kothi itiganite hamwe na Bachelor of Technology Education, Bachelor of Business and Entrepreneurship, Bachelor of Economics and Statistics hamwe na kothi ingi ta uria Vice Chancellor wa University no Professor ELAIJAH OMWENGA aratariria.
These programs have been chosen based on the needs of the Kenyan people and also the statistics that we are able to get from the KUPS information portal, and therefore there are programs which are required by the Kenyan people.
Hamwe na indo irirafatarania niguo kwamukirwo ta Arutwo University neno ni certificate ya KCSE ikionania ati mundu ni anyitite grade ya C+ guthie na iguru, certificate agikorwo murutwo ni ekite kothi ingi thiini wa university kana college irakurikana guku bururi-ini. OMWENGA agitariria ati mirango ya university no ihinguriirwo arutwo othe aria makinyanirie ikiro ici kuma mwaka wa 1989.
Age is not an issue here. No, we are saying anybody, whatever age you are, you're welcome. You can come and learn skills on business and statistics, on how to run your business when you already have your business out there. Or you're a young person, you want to come and learn how to start your business.
Gikundi kia mbere kia arutwo aria megukorwo magitwarithia na mbere mathomo kwa ihinda ria miaka 4 mari na mweke wa kwehererio gicunji kia 15 harĩ igana kia marihi ma kothi ukiringithania na marihi ma kothi university-ini ingi.
The 15% is applied on the costs of this program, which is already, as I've said, approximately 1/3 for some of the programs. Others is about half. For example, education-based courses in most universities, in public universities in Kenya, cost about 200,000, 188 to 260,000. Here we are charging 105,000.
Ona kuhanoro uguo ota university ingi marihi maya ni marithurimagwo riria gikundi kieru kia arutwo maraingira thiini wa university.
As time progresses and we assess our demands, we assess the situation, it's possible that the fees can be reviewed downwards or even upwards depending on some of the variables that we are considering when we are able to fix the fees. That's for new cohort of students.
University no itanyitwo gukinyira onado agikiro gia thi. OMWENGA agitariria ati kuri na mweke wa kurihira unit imwe ya kothi na otagwo arutwo mari na mweke wa gwikia ihoya niguo kuheo uteithio wa scholarship na ngombo cia mathomo kuma kuri thirikari.
The course unit which the student will come and pay for 10,000, you acquire it within that period of time, say in a semester, because it lasts about 15 or so weeks. You don't have to register for all the courses, so it's very flexible.
Haduini hakameme TV jutagugena wa waduro.
We got 2,000